For the next hour, I'm going to be fishing on this rock in the middle of the ocean, doing a survival catch and cook challenge. All I have is my fishing setup, some squid, and my sense of humour. Let's get into it. Let's go. Woo! Got him. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Good fish. Oh, he's fighting good. Awesome. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh gosh. Alright, this is sketchy. Got it, made it. Let's go. Oh, we're on the rock. Let's go. Right. Right, this is going to be a bit tricky. Oh no, I got my line dangling out. Come on. Oh my god, it is so beautiful here. Check that out. That is absolutely incredible, guys. Alright guys, once again, my setup: ultralight tackle, Shimano Nasci 1000 FC, Daiwa TD Hyper V2 with 8-pound braid, 8-pound leader, a small sinker, a small running sinker, swivel, and a nice hook here. And I've got some nice squid in there, and check that out. Look where we are. It is absolutely incredible. Alright, let's get this squid out. Here we go. Yeah, I've got some awesome squid. Check that out. That is going to catch us some incredible fish. Alright, I'm going to bait me up and get into the fishing. Alright, nice piece of squid here. Awesome stuff. Alright, let's get this squid feeded onto the hook. That is a beautiful bait there. Alright, just like last time when we were out here, hope you guys would have seen that video. We casted that side, but it's a bit windy today. So what I'm planning on doing is just casting with the wind, and hopefully the wind settles down a bit. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh, it is ridiculously windy. Oh, there was a fish. He's on it. Got him. Got him. Ah, hey, first fish of the day. What's that? I think that's a... not too sure what that is. Probably a buff rim. Alright, it's windy, but on the first cast I caught a fish. Check him out, guys. That is awesome. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful fish. I'll find out what this fish is, but that's awesome. Awesome fish in the middle of the ocean, pretty much. Right, let's let this guy go. Oh, he just wanted to go. Awesome, first fish. Let's catch some more, eh? That was one awesome fish. That was epic. Alright, I'm actually trying to cast into the wind this time. Might be a little bit tricky, but I'm hoping we'll still get one. He did not want to go where I wanted him to. Got him. Oh, he came off. Oh, missed him. And he took my bait. Oh, nasty little fish. Damn. Right. What should we do here? Guys, a really important update I have for you is that for Christmas, I got a much bigger SD card. So I've now got about 9.25 hours on my SD card, and I've also got 3 batteries. So I can pretty much fish for as long as I want. Right, it is crystal clear water here. I'm just going to chuck straight down. I can already see fish. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Oh, fish is on it. Oh, he took it. Set the hook too late, too busy yapping away. Yeah, that. Got him on the drop. Oh, it's another one of those. Hey, it's another one of those epic fish. Hey. Oh gosh, oh, everything's falling. Right, mate, I'm gonna get you unhooked. I'm curious to what this fish actually is. I wonder if anyone knows what this is. I'll probably find it out before I post this video though. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. Ah, that is another incredible fish. Yo, this is gonna be a banger video, trust me. Oh, there it goes. Oh my god, that could have been bad. I just dropped my GoPro. Right, not gonna do that again. Oh, my heart just skipped a beat. Let's go back to the same spot. I'm gonna drop it near that ledge and just hope that he doesn't take me under. Right, I'm ready. Got him. Another one. Oh, he came off. He came off. All right, let's chuck out there. Oh my god, this is so much fun. This is so much fun. There, fish on. Got him. Oh, he took my bait. I'm sure that was a wrasse. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was a brown spotted wrasse. All right, let's get this other bit of bait on here. I'm gonna go sparingly on this bait because I don't have too much. Actually, I've got an hour, so I don't really have that long of time to fish. Guys, it's just hookup after hookup. It's insane. I didn't think the fishing was going to be as good as last time, but honestly, it's kind of better. Like, because last time when I just dropped straight down, it would take them quite a while to take it, but now it's just instant hits. Instant hits. Bites. Got him. Good fish. Oh, it's a zebra. Good fish. Good. Oh, I foul hooked him, that's why. Sorry, buddy. Hey, biggest fish for the day so far. That is not bad. That is definitely not a bad fish. Come on, buddy. Mate, let me get you unhooked. Not a bad fish. Alright, I'm gonna go down to this rock when I release him, so I won't drop my GoPro. Hi. Number 3 on the number 3 on the board. Right. Damn, this is freaking incredible. This is what I love. Woo! Gosh. I love this one. Yeah, let's get into it. Woo! And also, guys, this time I got squid, as last time I had prawn. So this squid is staying on a lot better. Instead of only getting one hook up on one piece of bait, I can now get like 3 or 4. Take it, man. Got him. Another fish. Another fish. Not bad, not bad. What is he? What is he? Oh, it's another one of those. It's another one of those. This looks like a buff brim, but it's a different color. Maybe it's I'm pretty sure it's in the drummer species. Oh man, no, he swallowed that pretty deep. All right, I got my pliers. I'm gonna try and save this beautiful fish. All right, guys, I'm gonna check in back with you, and hopefully I'll get this fish safe. Oh, guys, I managed to get the hook out, but I don't know how well he's doing. Yeah, guys, unfortunately, I don't think he'll survive, but, you know, we tried, and that's just fishing sometimes. Nothing. All right, we'll go back down here. Gosh, those waves are getting pretty violent. Got him. Oh, he pulled me under. That was a pretty decent fish. Alright, straight down. I'm determined to catch another good fish. There's a fish on. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Got him. Small little. Oh, it's a tiny little wrasse, guys. It's a little brown spotted wrasse. Hey, that is a nice fish. Ah! Oh, he's spiky as. Stop wriggling, boy. Stop your wriggling. Epic stuff. Number 4 on the board, baby. Woo! Take it, bro. Got him. Got him. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. Hey, another one of these nice fish. Another one of these nice fish. Alright. Got him nice and safely out. Fine. He's alright. Awesome stuff. Got the squid head. Got smashed last time. I put this squid head on. It's nice and juicy. Even I would eat this. If it's cooked, of course. Alright. Check out that bait. That is awesome. Nice. Alright. Back down we go. Here, there's a zebra, there's a zebra, there's a zebra. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Oh, that was a zebra. Let's go a bit closer. I wonder if you guys can see down there. Oh, missed him. Oh, he took it. He took it. I'm too busy yapping away like a little 3-year-old. I actually got to focus on catching fish, because that's what you guys are here for. Yo, ever since I changed over to a different hook, it's been like coming off. Right there. Got him. Got him. Oh, it's an absolute baby. Hello, little guy. Oh, thank you. Thanks for splashing me, little one. Feisty fish. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Fish number 6. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Fish number 6. I've got my rod and I've got my bait. All I've got to do is sit here and wait for the big fish to come my way. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Got him. Okay, maybe I should set the hook a bit better. Oh, it's the cutest little banded sweep the universe has ever seen. And there comes a bigger banded sweep. Got. Oh, he pulled me against the rock, that sweep. Oh, my line is gonna be bad after that. Hello, Mr. Sweep. How are you? Check him out, guys. Awesome fish. Oh, and you still kept my bait for me, little guy. No. It is the most adorable little sweep the world has ever seen it. Sweep! 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 Right, let's catch some more, guys. Woo! Look where I am, boys and girls. Look at where I am. Incredible, incredible. Guys, I just saw a good fish in here. It was a good fish, that's for sure. Got him. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Good fish. Oh, he's fighting good. That's a good wrasse. Oh man, that is a good wrasse. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that must have been who I was looking for. Not bad. That is not a bad fish. Oh, the only thing is pretty deep though. Oh, alright. At least he's done that. I don't know if I should keep this guy or not. Is that legal? Yeah, I'm just gonna check if this is legal real quick. Because I might keep him and doing a catch and cook. I might do that. Check out that fish. Awesome stuff. Awesome fish from the middle of the ocean. Alright guys, turns out there's no size limit on a brown spotted wrasse, so I'm gonna keep this guy and we're gonna do a catch and cook, but first I'm gonna measure him. Alright, 25, 26 actually. Alright, not bad, and he's on a bit of an angle, so I'm gonna dispatch this guy, oh crap, and then get back to the fishing. Awesome. Alright guys, this fish is no longer alive. I dispatched him as quickly as possible. Look away now if you don't like blood, just because I'm gonna bleed him. Alright, got all those guts out. Not my cleanest job ever, probably because my knife isn't really that sharp. Alright, this guy is going to be absolutely phenomenal for dinner tonight. Awesome. That is a absolute incredible. Ooh, and the water's cleared up so nicely. Awesome fish. That is awesome stuff. Epic, epic, epic. Wow, that is incredible. Alright, let's catch another eating size fish. You know, if I get one of those black fish, I think I'm going to cook it up and try it, because I'm curious to see what it will taste like. Oh, there's another wrasse, there's another wrasse. Oh no, that's a zebra, that's a zebra. Got him. Oh, missed him, missed him. There's a fish, there's a fish. Got him, got him. Yes, it's another wrasse. Yes, it's another wrasse. Oh, it's about the same size. Oh, we'll keep this guy too. Awesome stuff. Epic. Oh, yes. That is exactly the fish I wanted. Alright. Come on. Alright. Let's dispatch this guy real quick. Get on with it. Man, this is going to be some yummy dinner tonight. I'm going to cook this baby up real nice. Real nice. With some lemon and herbs. I might even make a batter up. Awesome. Check him out. Good fish. Awesome fish. I'm not going to have time to scale them now, so I'll have to do that at home. Alright, let's put them at these ice blocks. I wonder which one's bigger, I'm curious. Oh, no way, the second one actually. Second one's bigger. First one fought a lot harder though. That's a bit weird. Alright, that was an absolute epic video. Man, we caught some incredible fish. That was sick. Look how nice it looks though. Looks so nice. Pristine waters. Right, I'm gonna pack this stuff up and then I'll meet you back out when I'll do an intro and then we'll leave. Awesome. Oh man, guys, that was an absolutely incredible video. We caught so many awesome fish and we got those two awesome keeper wrasse. That is going to be nice dinner for us tonight. I'm probably going to head back, cook them at home, and then I'll say goodbye. This is just like saying, like finishing up the fishing and stuff. But look where we are. Honestly, I'm so blessed to be able to fish in spots like this. It's just so awesome. Like, there's some kids, you know, that don't have this opportunity, and I do. And I just want to thank all you guys for the support. And I'm nearly at 1,000 subs. I think we can do it by the end of the holidays. Actually, I know we can. Let's get home now, cook up those fish, and see how good they taste. Alright, I'm definitely going to be coming back to this spot right here. This is my second time coming. It was well worth it, just as good as the first time, if not even better, because I got some awesome keeper fish. Oh man, okay, this is probably going to be the most difficult part of the whole video. Whoa. Alright, this is a bit sketchy. Oh, gets my adrenaline going, that's for sure. That's slippery. It is so slippery. Okay, I'm still glad. I'm glad that the tide's still down. Won't be impossible to get over here. All right. Oof. All right. Got over nice and safely. Let's go cook up those fish for dinner and see how good they taste. Oh, my watch is being annoying again. Oh, I'm so hungry, man. I'm looking forward to that. Okay, see you guys back at my house. Let's get to cleaning these fish, eh? That one there. I think that was the second nice wrasse we caught. Awesome, check them out. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is cut off the heads. I got a bit of a better knife here now, which is good. Put those aside. Maybe we'll give them to the neighbour because he catches crabs sometimes. Those teeth are crazy. Crazy teeth. Alright. Gosh, I haven't done this in a while. Alright. That is a nice scaled side of fish. Alright, I'm going to do that to the other ones and I'll be back for filleting. We go down the back along the spine. Alright, I'll get back to you when I've finished doing this. Alright, we got some nice pieces of fish here. Not the best filleting job I've done. I used to be actually really good at filleting, but I pretty much forgot how to do it, and usually my dad's here to help me, but he's not at the moment. But I think I did fine. I won't waste any of this meat. I'll probably scoop a bit off the bone. Let's get to cooking now. I'm excited. Alright, we've got our fish in some nice egg with spices and herbs. Yummy. I'm so excited. Food. I don't think I did this the right way.
I told you multiple times that you did.
It's fine. It's fine. You don't need too much flour. It's just good. That's enough flour.
Oh gosh, guys, let's just say I'm not the best cook in the world.
We can tell.
You try, and that's what's important.
Yep. Alright. Look at that. In we go. Alright, I'll be back.
You need a walk. Just walk.
Alright, let's split this fish.
Port or sherry.
There we go.
Just a sip or two. Sit up there and just have a sip of port or sherry.
Awesome. I'll check back with that. Alright guys, our fish is all cooked and ready.
Just the coals.
Look at that awesome golden brown crust. Check that out. Delicious. Alright, let's try this. Oh yeah. That is good. Oh, that's good. I was not expecting it to be that good. Nice salt. Got brine mix here. Oh, I'm gonna finish this up. Alright, I finished it all. It was pretty good, not gonna lie. That first bite was probably the best though. That was perfect balance of flavour and crisp. I mean, I'm no chef, but not bad. Not bad, really. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a fun little video to make. Never done a catch and cook like this. And we caught so many fish out at that beach. And it was so beautiful out there on that rock. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope we can get to 1,000 subs by the end of the holidays. And get this video to 5,000 views. And maybe 100 likes. That would be absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.